Hello friends, and welcome to another video. If you are new here, my name is Cindy. Hello. Today I'm going to be trying out the Etude House Tint My Brow Gel. This is not a new product, but it's a new to me product. I'm super excited to try it because I love brow products, especially those that promise brow longevity. I want my brows to last forever. I've actually had my brows microbladed, but it didn't really stick. So the thought of being able to wake up with brows for at least a few days and save some time off my morning routine is very attractive to me. So we're gonna go ahead and give this product a try. So if you wanna see me try out and review this product, just keep on watching. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to remove all of the makeup that I have on my brows currently with just some micellar water. I'm going to go a little bit higher here too, just to make sure everything is nice and clean. Okay, now that my eyebrows are clean and dry, we are going to get started. I have a eyebrow brush right here that I'm going to use to help me apply it, just because this applicator is gigantic. And then I have some Q-tips on hand in case we go on the lines or get a little messy. So the directions say to apply this and to leave it on for at least 2 hours. Let it sit, and then after the 2-hour mark, you peel it off. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous. But good thing I don't have anywhere to go today or tomorrow, so I think it'll be fine. Whew, it's dark. Really hope this works. Because even if this lasts for 3 days, like that's like a weekend getaway, you know what I mean? I'm accidentally applying this like I would brow powder, and I probably need to stop doing that. I need to just slap it on there a little more liberally. So it kind of has like a sticky, tacky-like formula. It's a little bit difficult to move around, but it's not too bad. Kind of like sticks to itself. You gotta move quick, which I'm not doing. I need to move faster. All right, one eyebrow done, and on to the next one. I'm gonna try to do this eyebrow faster, so hopefully it doesn't start peeling up on itself, but we'll see. Alright, now I have both eyebrows done, so I'm going to give these 2 hours to let it work its magic, and then I will come back and we will peel them off together and we'll see what happens. See you soon. And we're back. Hello again. So it's been about 2.5 hours since I've had these on, so we're going to go ahead and peel them off. To remove, the directions say to slowly start from the head of the eyebrow, and do not remove the pack forcibly since it will pull out the eyebrows. Please, don't pull my eyebrows. That would be the worst. It says do not use a cleansing product or apply force on the eyebrow area within 24 hours of using the product. Okay, so we're going to just start here at the front and try to peel this baby off. Oh my god. It definitely feels like it's pulling my hair quite a bit. I'm a little nervous that this is going to pull up my eyebrow hair. Yeah, this closer. hurts. I think it's pulling out some of my hair. It's making my eye water. It hurts so bad. There's definitely some color there for sure. Okay. Okay, there's one. Oh, I don't hate it. It's not perfect, but I mean, it's there. Now on to the second brow. Oh my gosh, it's gonna make me sneeze. For some reason, this one hurts more than the other one. It's definitely warping out some of my brow hairs. Oh man, it's ripped out quite a bit of my brow hair. Alright, so there we have it. Definitely have some brows, but the right one, it didn't really tint up here, so it's a little uneven. I'm definitely still gonna have to fill them in a little bit, but they're a little bit darker and nice base, I guess. And if I rub them, nothing's coming off my hand, so that's good. It's not perfect, but it's kind of cool. I really wish that I had dyed up here. I don't know. I'll do it again. Let's see. Alright, so I'm kind of digging it, but I definitely think that I'm going to do it again. Just to kind of like darken it up and maybe like fill in some of these sparser areas. But I will update y'all in a day or two just to see how they last and how they're holding up. So I will see you again soon. Hello again, I am back for a final update. It is actually 1 day later, and I'm sad to say that the Etude House Tint My Brow Gel is already completely gone. It doesn't look like it right now because I do have my brows filled in. I obviously have a full face of makeup on, but last night I washed all my makeup off, avoiding the eyebrow area, and so it did get a little bit wet, and I patted my face dry, and after patting my face dry, the tint was completely gone. Totally 100% gone. I was very sad. I definitely don't recommend spending any money on this product. However, the hunt for a good long-lasting brow tint continues, so if you know of one that you've tried that is long-lasting, definitely let me know in the comments below. I would love to try it. And that's all I have for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can see more videos from me. And I'll see you next time. Bye!